Ahoy and welcome to Laser Gadgets. Today I want to show you my Raven, a former Raven, that kind of something. I made this out of a Raven. We all know what it looks like, but just in case, here it is. And now it looks like this. All metal parts, lots of light, a real Raven with a glowing eye. That's my absolute favorite. The rail up there is Picatinny, but before I go into details even more, let's just see how it looks like when you're holding it. Just like this. It's a bit heavier now, but first person never fails. Just lights on the left, lights on the right. Just gorgeous, and that profile from up there with the perforated front panels. Awesome. And this one is fake, by the way. Just thought it looks boring without it, so I added this little buddy there. And right now there's the long mag on it. Me personally, I like it better with the smaller mag, and the smaller mag is the only one holding darts so far. So let's swap it, and then you tell me what you think. I think it looks much sleeker, although the bigger mag does not really look wrong on it because it's so freaking huge. The banana clip makes it also like follows the curve somehow. It's not really bad. Let me know what you like best. I prefer the short version. And now, before I talk even more, let's shoot some freaking darts. And 1, 2, 3, here we go. Okay. In the next video, I'll show you how to make the target. It's a white panel on a piece of wire. Not that easy. Just wait for it. Usually, I make these videos for the buyers, for the clients, and this is actually sold just before I was able to put this on Etsy. Somebody bought it along with another one. So I'm just making this video as a memorial video for myself, just to make sure I don't forget the little guy. It's one of my favorite designs, my own design actually, and I'm gonna miss it. And now I box it up and ship it to one happy nephew. It's either for Nick or for Jacob, I forgot. But I hope you guys like it. It's, again, one of my favorites. Speaking of boxes, note to self, make smaller Nerf mods.